I'll still be falling. See what it does here.
Good morning, good morning. Actually, I'll put that little light on. Okay, welcome everyone. So, yes, hope you had a good day yesterday. Yesterday was okay. We just put this on. How's it? Hopefully tomorrow I'm a little bit better. I think my cough's going away. I'm just still a bit under the weather, but that would be nice. Good morning, chaps. Good morning. Good morning. So let's put that on here. Okay, first things first. Let's check news. Obviously, we have news at 9:30. A lot of GJ news. Surprising volume during Asian lately. Yeah, past 2 days, eh? Yeah, look at gold. Wow. Yeah, there was quite a lot of volume. Literally right at the start as well. 1 o'clock, we got a nice push up. Very nice. How did EJ do as well? Yeah, kind of corrected the Asian move already. So let's get into this, right? Let's do a fresh analysis. Daily time frame on gold is bullish. Okay, right now it's bullish. The last daily candle did close bearish and did reject 1755.8. But looks like we're back up there now. The 4-hour time frame is closed very, very strongly bullish. Holding support at 1741. You're gonna screw people over, yeah. We'll see. Yep. So hourly time frame, yeah, we have 1 hourly bearish candle. Okay, it's making a top wick right now. For me, overall, for this GJ and the weekly time frame, I think we're still, hovering around entry. So, entry of the weekly candle. So I kind of want some direction now. I'm kind of confused in terms of where gold wants to go. Bit confused yesterday in terms of it as well. So I'm just gonna wait until we break certain levels. Obviously, previous support was 1747. That's where we are above now. But considering the 4 hours closed back above in the zone, I don't really see these sells here, to be honest with you. They may be short lasting, I think, just because of one bearish candle. I think this salary play is probably more likely to actually come to fruition. But obviously, clean candles here all the way up to maybe at least 1759, which is okay. So I'd probably look for the buys. Obviously, this would be break the Asian highs as well, which would be pretty nice. But yeah, we'll see. I'm not too happy in terms of where I want to take the trades right now, and mainly for the fact that the weekly time frame just hasn't given me any direction yet. There's no real level. We just came back into this zone. So bullish, bearish for Goldie, I have no idea yet. So we can wait a little longer. Let's see what direction it pushes today. Yeah. So looking like GJ over here came down through the rest of the day yesterday, and then we just ranged it a little bit. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. So yeah, looking like the daily's bearish. The weekly time frame's already broken the low of the previous, so looking pretty bearish in GJ. Looking a bit more easy to find for that. So bearish, obviously we're below 166 now as well. It's quite a big level. So daily time frame has made the top wick, flipped, broken the low of the previous. 4-hour time frame is also pushing down, broke the low of the previous as well. Think about impulse entry GJ, good volume, double bottom. 4-hour low, daily low, 30 pip zone fill. Yeah. Daily lows. Yeah. We'll see. It looks quite good, I think. Well, top of the morning, boys. Top of the morning, my man. So yeah, let's take a look at that then. So if you have support, it's 155,900. Obviously, it's a little bit below 166, which is okay. It's a clear Asian level. Asian low level. If you continue bearish here, then theoretically we're probably going to get to at least here. 165,556. Why? Well, because as I've talked about before, you know, when price breaks that low, what happened, right? Well, if you break this low before, price came to here, price came to there, price came to a little bit of here, but obviously we break even by there, price came to there. So it's always pretty much tapped this level apart from that time. So I think that's a good little target to get there. Furthermore, you can maybe get down to all the way to 165. What is that question of the day, bro? So for people asking me good questions, like yesterday was a good question from that guy. I'm tallying them up, and if you do like, you know, some good questions throughout the month or the week, sorry, I'll do a little giveaway or something on the end, just so people can talk, you know, because people sometimes ask stupid questions. I think they should ask, you know, really good questions. So we're good. So yeah, I mean, potentially on GJ, I think that could be quite nice, right? Because yeah, 4-hour break of the lows, daily break of the lows, weekly break of the current lows. So yeah, I don't think that'll be too bad actually, to be honest, to close below maybe. In terms of taking an impulse trade, then where you'd put your stops, but let's take a look. How far is it away from breaking it? 800. There's a lot of volume, eh? There's a lot of volume, eh? Wow. Wowza. So coming down to the Asian lows now. Got like another 10 pips until you get there. I'll see this next candle closure, I think, and then we could be quite good. It could be good. Let me just put this on. One 6.5 8.87. Very nice. So I'll keep that there. I think that's going to be pretty good in a couple, maybe 15 minutes time. Let me take a look at this. Just checking something. Okay, cool. Top of the morning, boys. Top of the morning. So yeah, we'll see. Obviously, looking like it is a support, so you can't just take this off straight away. Gotta have a bit more confidence, but I think yeah, if you could time it on the break of that Asian lows, because it'll be daily lows and stuff, I think that'll be pretty nice. Current daily low is at 810. Yeah, so it is that low. Nice. Looking like Goldie's making a little bit of support. 30 minute just closed bullish. Yeah, obviously looks like the 4-hour realistically here is just making a lot of work, right? Hey Max, do you drink coffee every day? Yes. 165 800 has a bunch of rejections far to the left. Isn't it safer to wait for the break around that? Yeah, it would be anyway, because I would get on the break of the current lows. That's fine. I'd get on the break of the 800 low, I think. I just want to close you below that level, then I can get the break of the 800 level. That'd be nice. So yeah, I think in terms of this GJ, sorry, in terms of this Goldie, let's wait for that. Was there any trend lines this morning? Yeah, there wasn't really. Not yet anyway. Retested that high one, to be fair. Yesterday, the GJ trade at the end of the stream was fire. Yeah. M formation. The 50-minute close, like the smallest bit below, and then wicked up. It still worked though, eh? Nice. Launched. So let me just get rid of Nav Mahmood. So that is the trade of, the question of the day, and now it's a new day. So just put this on here. Um, 30-minute celery on gold. You could, I mean, it's clean candles below, right? Is there a retest area? Yeah, the retest 1747. Hourly's rejecting. The only thing is that, you know, the good thing about it is, yeah, you've got this fair value gap here. How big would the stops be? 25 pips. I just think it's too bullish, to be honest with you. But I like it. I like the celery, you know. I like how it's a good rejection. Owlie's made the top wick. I just don't know if I trust the cells at this point. Oh, deformed M as well. Nice. Oh, there's a little OB there at the top now. If it breaks that low. Max Peep Gold 5-minute trendline retest right now. Do you mean like up there? When it came and retested? It came pretty close, yeah. That wasn't too bad. Jesus Christ, this is loud. Is anyone taking this in the chat? I know people have been talking about it before. It's okay, it's okay. How much would stops be in current candle? 60 pips. 16 pepperonis. For me, what is any other confidence though? That's my only issue. The only confidence for me is obviously the celery play. I think candles below. It's the 4 hour that's putting me right off. Such a strong candle. Could make the lower wick to 1747, which would be nice as well for this fair value gap there. Would look decent if it messed around it. Yeah, that's true. That is true. If it just messed around a little, eh?
That 15-minute IC on gold.
Yeah.
If it does break below this right here, probably go to that.
Yep. Yes, how big's that zone? Yeah, it's not bad, eh? It's not bad. I want to see how it reacts to the support here.
You got 20 minutes till in London.
Yeah.
No rush.
What price do you get in, Tom? I just don't want to hold that. I mean, if I'm aware that FSE, yeah. Someone's fucking pissing his Weetabix again. Shock. I left this speech a couple of months ago. I'm leaving social media. Oh, he's back now. He spinned his wheel of hating people. I'm the new target. I gave him wrath back in the day, so you can happily come and get it again. The fucking old cunt. We had a long chat last night again. So yeah, we'll see if we get this closure below, boy. $20 left, obviously, as well for London. I want to ask about trading in December. Is it any different? Do you avoid December? No, December was great, man. December last year was Gucci. No range 2 breakout, currently bullish gold. Yeah, exactly. So kind of leave it there. If that was a range 2, man, that would be straight in that, eh? yeah, last December was pretty nice, man. It's generally just the news and what's going on around the world. It doesn't really matter too much about the months, apart from maybe the quarters. I say quarters on average quite good. Q4 is normally good. So yeah, we've got Governor Bailey speaking obviously at 3 o'clock today. Yeah, 3 o'clock. So if you get a bullish close in GA for your candle, would you take a buy back to the next res? Nope. No. Because we're still bearish, right? My buy, it can hold support, but what could easily happen is this next candle could then open, you take your buy, you get into 2 pips profit, then we free flip, close below, and then you are royally fucked. You need to stick with the trend. You need to stick with the trend. Especially it'd be good at breaking Asian lows as well, with also confidence of all the higher time frames. It would be quite nice.
Morning, Max.
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good stuff. Trend needs to stick with me. Oh, bloody hell, your entry's class, eh? Very nice. We'll see how Goldie does, but it looks like it came to that 5 minute support and was like, ooh, I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, if this was like zone 2, so if this was in like a below there and then did this, then I'd probably take it. That trade now, why did he enter there? This is a 3 minute OB. 3 minute OB. Order blocks, if you look at Damien Capital on YouTube, he kind of talks about them more. 17 minutes left for this 8 o'clock open. That would be good to get some 8 o'clock volume in. That'd be nice. We'll see how this closes. We shall see. Yeah, the issue you have with the cells here is obviously it's just that support. Even on the 30, it looks like, oh yeah, seller play. 5 minute does have clear support here. It's got double bottom there, so it's a very, very strong support, which can be quite hard. Why OB? We have a strategy. Do we really need more? Well, if you can add it on, why not, eh? Why not? Always try and improve. There's no point just sitting there doing the same thing. You can always improve, taking other entries. We actually took, so a lot of us took an OB yesterday, which was a beautiful one. I pushed it out of it because it was Comex. However, it was a very, very nice one, which we actually discussed this morning. It was this one here. And this one was very, very nice because it was just a retest back to a beautiful level. This was the level, so stops were kind of tight. And yeah, Comex pushed straight through into it, so you got into like there. Stop loss was 11 pips, and you got around about 56 pips out of it. So 1 to 5 risk to reward. That was beautiful. A lot of people took it in the group. So yeah, like we're adding OBs as time goes on. I like ones that are very, very obvious. This one for me is very, very obvious. But still, when we look on backtesting, there's still some ones that catch me out, and I think it's more to do with fundamentals, which is what Damien went through last weekend actually. So you got to kind of put it in confluence with what's actually going on as well. Okay, maybe reflipping the daily. I do have a bit of trouble identifying good trades. Seem to be the trades I always cut early fly. The losers I cut early fly, and then the trade let it go, hit stop loss. Well, you got to write it down, right? And not just write it down. Take a picture of the actual visuals of what actually happened, like the actual chart, because you'll start to see levels. Why did levels push to this point? Why did it, maybe pre-NY push better than, I don't know, 3 o'clock? Got to write them all down, and you will see things that are obvious of which ones are working and which ones aren't. For example, if I get breaks of the lows and stuff, like on the higher time frames, like we did last week. Where was it? Yeah. Like around here, I know that this pushes quite quickly. So I closed 70% at 20 and closed 30 at 30 pips. So I got a little bit more out of that one because I knew it was good. It was higher time frames breaking previous lows. It was actually it was 30-minute break of previous low, hourly break of previous low, 4-hour break of previous low, daily break of previous low. So it was all of them in confluence, so that normally helps a lot. You see here, this is rejected now, so just be careful with the sells. The direction is bullish, right? The 4-hour time frame is just making the lower wick. So yeah. 5-minute trend line. You could even have one actually up here, really. Oh, that's actually a nicer one, eh? Three touches. Yeah, this is nice. With confusion. Why do you keep saying confusion? Oh, weird. Buys in the 3-minute flip. Yeah, I quite like these buys, eh? I like. So it'd be retest there, 1754 flat. Stop loss 1752.4. Take profits would be. When you get to that level there, that would be 1756.6. Oh shit, did not mean to do that, guys. 1 second, accidentally put it. There we go. 1756. And then high, maybe to 1758.7.
You waiting for that 5 closure and retest?
I'm going for it. Not yet. It hasn't closed yet, but yeah, it will in a minute's time. Yeah, it'll be W formation as well. It'll be flipping of the 30-minute. Well, sorry, flipped the 30-minute break of previous highs, hourly break of previous high, 4-hour flip, clean candles above. Yeah. Turn to that level can be break even. So yeah, I like it.
I want the retest because the stops are kind of nasty.
Stops here. 14 pips.
14. Oh, I just got my chart on whack right now. It looks like a lot.
Oh, let's put some tunes on today. Do I do? And all my names I'm living it up. Do and everybody I'm living it up. Right, we'll see. If you can get to there, 1754 is where I'll take it. Stop's gonna be below there, 1752.6. No, I do like the buys above there too, brother. 1752.6. If I can't get the retest here, then that's fine. I'll just wait for the London Open in 9 minutes. I just wanted a bit more of an aggressive entry because it'd be nice if my stops. What do I do? How many days I've been living enough? Good morning, go looking juicy. Yeah, boy. See if Pactec can hold for the sprint. Yes, sir. Taking it when it gets down there, yeah. I don't think it will get very close, but not close enough. What music is that playing in the background? Just some lo-fi. So that was the lower wick that's happened. This is going to continue now, so I'm going to delete my buy. I'm just going to wait for London session. That was the lower wick that I wanted. Look at the 3 minute. 3 minute came down. Nice. Minute left for this candle anyway, so I kind of want to see how this candle closes. But as I said, you know, it's getting close to the London Open. I could just wait for this 15 or 30 minute closure above. And I could potentially wait for it a little bit higher up, so we'll see. Nice Tommy. Oh, GJ. Fuck, look at GJ, my god. Holy. Damn, look at the 4 hours. You're flipping the 4 hour again on GJ. Yeah, it does not like them levels, eh? Bounced off it nicely. Very nice. Treble bottom now. In terms of where you want to take buys. 500. Very nice. So yeah, look, 20 seconds left. Best to just wait now for this 8 o'clock volume. Has tapped it there though, so you'd be in. It's okay. If you need that candle to close bullish really, then you've got another 5 minutes to chill. Now we're at the top of Asian range and Tankei Kenny GJ. Hey, do you just stop your lot size according to your stop loss? Yeah, but it's Magic Keys does it all. I just put in the percentage. Magic Keys does it, which is great. So yeah, it depends on the stop. I risk 1.4% per trade. So how did that 5 minute close? Yeah, still close bullish, looking good, looking good. The whales will treat us nice today. There's the flip. So it'd still work my first entry, which is great, but I just kind of want to wait for this 8 o'clock now. It's very close to 8 o'clock, right? Magic keys can adjust automatic, yes. Where can I get them from? Type on Google, Magic Keys.
Did you get your code sorted out?
No, I don't. They said they sent me an email for the new affiliate link thing, but they don't have it. I don't have it, so I'm gonna have to message them. Yeah, I don't have it yet. So if you actually did get in that point there, yeah, you'd be break even when it came to that high, around 9 pips. So see where this closes. Let's look at GJ now. It's not above yet, but it's getting there. Completely corrected that move in a couple 5 minute candles. Good stuff that. Wow, a lot of volume today. Very nice. So it looks like gold is coming back into the zone now. Closing in 2 minutes time. Long time no see, Max. How are you? I'm good. Rory, how are you, my man? I'm good. It's nearly December. I'm loving these winter months, man. The winter months are chill. I'm enjoying them. I'm liking with my jammies on at night time, just vibing with some candles on. Oh. So yeah, looking like an interesting London session here. Start of London session, sorry. The Goldie's closing right in the middle of that area, really, that range. Drawing there. So yeah, if you start getting some more rejections here, we could get the sells below maybe. We'll see, because it will be closing into the next range. But realistically, I still want these bloody buys, boy. Oh, that's some good rejection. There's some good rejection, mate. Wow, look at that. She'd still be in that 5-minute trendline trade if you held stops. Didn't close below the trendline. Yet, anyway. 26 seconds left. To look at GJ. Yeah, GJ's not there. Gold 50-minute OB. In this one here.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah. Looks like just resistance forming, eh? Yeah, I have to wait for this next candle. Same with GJ. Looking like a lot of volume. Ooh. Obviously, towards the end of this week as well, you need to start to settle down. End of the month, start of the new month, and there's also big ass news this week. So, yeah, like 3rd and 4th will be a little bit boring, I think, in terms of taking loads of trades. FOMC, ADP, some big ass news. Oh. Looks good to continue, I'm not gonna lie. Higher time frames. I might have to take this buy, you know. Yeah. And the reason why is because obviously 8 o'clock volume. The only thing for me is my stops. If I took the stops here, 17 pip stops. So the reason why I like it is obviously higher time frames, right? Higher time frames are looking good. How long left for this year? Still 30 minutes left. It's a bit annoying. See this next maybe 5 or 3 minute wicking back down to this level. Because if you look here, 4 hours breaking previous 4-hour high. A 30-minute time frame as well breaking. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, the only thing I suppose is that if you look at the daily time frame, the daily is right there at the res. That's the only little cause of concern. Just take a look here. So yeah, we'll see this next 5 minute. See how it closes. Look at that GJ lower wick as well. Damn. Yeah, GJ's struggling to find what direction it wants to go in today. Same with kind of Goldie as well. Looking like some big rejection off that level as well. I'm just watching the lower time here to see if we can get this 5 minute closure above. Yeah. Sure is rejecting, eh? Oh. Yeah. That view out your window looks sick the other day. Did you see you moving across the road? Yeah. Oh yes. This weekend. So that'll be good. That'll be nice. Yeah, I think if people were aggressive in here this morning, it might be a little bit struggling to find the direction yet. Yeah, I mean, even here, look, if you look on the 30, there's 30-minute resistance as well, so yeah, it's not the best area. There's a green candles above, though, it isn't bad, eh? The hourlies. I took the break of the high knock guy, outbreak even. Nice. Yeah. How much did you get into at that point? Yeah, 7 pips is not bad, eh? 7 pips go break. You can see if it pushes. Yeah, if it's struggling to push out, then we got some waiting to do. We got a little bit of waiting.
It could be sweeping Asian highs.
Yeah. And then the cells below here would be nice, eh?
Yeah,
got this
'cause,
a bit more confluence.
the hourly had broken structure going to the downside yesterday, so we might continue that move.
Mm-hmm. Back down to potentially 1733. So yeah, I think once you get these cells below back 1752, now after we've rejected this level, I think we'll be looking good. It looked pretty good.
All depends how this candle closes.
Yep. Oh yes. Yeah. 3 minutes still holding that level at the moment. Le moment. Yeah, let's put this on here. Yeah, let's look at the lower time at the 1 minute. Yeah, man, this shit's holding hard. This shit is holding, looking like it's making maybe a little double bottom, little double top there. So not double top, head and shoulders. If this closes bearish, yeah. Actually, if I can ask why sell below there, should it break the range too? Well, for me, this is kind of already breaking. This is already the range now. This would be range 2. But it's mainly for the fact that if we're rejecting the Asian highs and this big resistance 1754, then now I've got the confirmation. Whereas before we just came down. For me here, this was, you know, when price came up, this was just a support forming. So people trying to take the sells there got clotted. But now, if we come back down to that level, we've got a double top. You know, a closure below would be an M formation really, and then we've got a clean area to fill with a fair value gap there to target. So it's just added more confidence to the trade, which would be very nice. GJ coming down. What the fuck is GJ doing? GJ's just launching up and down this bloody road it's made.
And gold's starting to push down a little bit. It's on that range, but
Yep.
it flipped.
Yeah.
Rather like gold if it breaks that 5 minute. It did.
Wait, this one here or that one there?
The top one.
Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Looks good.
Is on a 3 minute. If it closes strong bearish,
Yeah.
and then we get the
formation.
retest, I might jump in.
Yep. I agree. Closed on it.
Yeah, it wasn't strong enough.
Yeah, I suppose it is. I suppose it's not bad.
What are stops looking like?
10 pips. Sorry, Miss Jackson.
Oh, can you hear my music?
Yeah, it's good shit.
No.
It's only
I
tiny
don't want
bit.
you to. You're streaming. I don't want you to.
No, I like it. I like it. I love that song. I am for real. Never.
I'll lower it. You're streaming.
Yeah. I suppose it did close below. It wasn't the strongest, but nice wick to it as well. So it should be good.
At least to fill that range.
Yeah. Is that just the 5-minute closure as well? Oh, the 5-minute would be nice.
No top wick on mine.
Just gonna continue, but that's okay. So there's a little entry there you could maybe have squeezed out, maybe on the 3-minute there. Yeah, nice. Guys, so like when you get on like the 3 minutes, you have to be so on the ball to fucking write my signal so quickly.
Oh,
Yeah, it's good.
yeah.
Nice.
So either closure below that range or
I'm not gonna lie, I did just fucking jump into that 3-minute trade.
You did?
Yeah, I fucking hopped into it whilst I was writing the signal. I don't have enough time.
It wasn't enough of a wick for me. Sorry, you were just vibing with the sorry, Miss Jackson.
Yeah. Let's do the 3. Why did you say break even here though? I got in at 1753.8, so a little bit.
Tom.
We're gonna get a signal in a second. Watch that shit. Oh, this shit.
Good morning, gang.
That was
Morning,
a, that was
Eloy.
a wish.
Huh?
How's everything, guys?
Good. Waiting on these Goldie cells potentially.
Well, Max, I think I buy gold yesterday night.
Oh, you buy
Oh
gold?
oh my God, 41.
Yeah, wait, this buy last night here, Asian?
Last night.
Nice.
I wanna put in the group.
Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna hit break even here, I think. Just seen it happen too many times. I was like, you know what? I'll write the signal and people get in, but I'm surprised Tommy didn't get in there actually. To be fair, I didn't really look at it. I literally just had my magic keys, right? Upward calc, boom. Yeah, I hit break even there. So yeah, we'll just wait until below 1752. Let's take a look.
To me, that was the retest.
Yeah.
I did that one earlier.
Yeah, on the 5. I'm just gonna wait for it now. Yeah, I suppose when this candle just came up there, I wanted to take it. Yeah, it didn't bring it into the T, but still good. I can't believe push baby breaky. Gold M retest, let's go. Oh, Brian got it as well. Let me just take a look here. On GJ, yeah, it's still hovering around. How long left for this? A minute left for this 50-minute candle. Yeah. A lot of volume though, but just really no direction. You out, Maxi? Yeah, I got it out. I don't really like how the 3 minutes push pretty hard as well, so this may come up for seconds for these buys. Hopefully not, but if so I'm just going to wait for this low blow. It's pretty close anyway. It's only like 12 pips away, which is good. And then we've got this fair value gap that I want to fill. And also this OB, sorry, not OB. This ice, this celery play has not came and retested yet, so that's a great target. 1747. Signal chat for cuff top. It's fucking writing it. The bloody 3-minute chart is fucking hard when you really have to write a bloody signal. God dang. So yeah, we'll see. Look at the 5-minute now. 5-minute. Oh, already broke the previous high. 3 minutes looking like it's still holding the level. So yeah, the issue is you got to give it the first time, and then the second times can be a little bit harder. Huh?
If the 15 had broken the previous low, it would have been nicer.
Yeah. Pretty close enough.
Do you have a bottom wick on yours? For this one?
On my what?
On your on the 15 or 5, either. Same right
Yeah,
now.
no bottom wick. Oh, pushing up. Pushing up on a Tuesday. Yeah. This Goldie's killing people's lives over here. I just wanted to pick direction now. Same with really Gold GJ here. This GJ time frame. Looking nasty. 3 minutes just flipped. 5 minutes coming down. It's hard though because it's on this like, kind of hourly support. Very close to 4-hour support too. My own signals of space. I think the signal right now is leave gold alone right this second. Yeah, Goldie's not. Got a break even on gold. We'll wait for a closure above. I haven't taken any more trades. Yeah, 100%. Best thing to do here.
Gold tapped the 1 minute.
Yep. Where's Iron Fanny? Oh god. Wow, every single London streamer has taken some L's today. Lord have mercy. Need to chill out over here, I think. Goldie gotta pick its zone. Pick your zone, boy. Iron Potty. Let's take a look at EJ. EJ came back down to the lows. Retest would be nice there. 400 though, that's quite far away. It's 25 pips away. 25 pips. So yeah, for the buys, the only issue obviously is this level here, but this is I suppose a fake out, which is okay. And the hourly resistance is kind of not too bad, so we'll see how this closes really.
He said, EJ, what have you done?
Yeah, EJ celery play would be nice. How big are the stops? It's quite a big, yeah, it's quite a big bullish closure to be fair, but and there's no top wick. Yeah, it was alright. Wasn't beautiful, but it worked out. So Xmas rally or rug pull by the Fed and no Xmas rally? Yeah, there's gonna be no fucking crypto pumps no more, boy. They're long gone. Oh no, Ibs is gonna take 3 L's over here. No. Look out. Yeah, actually, is Bitcoin still kind of around? Cyber Monday sale. Hey, Monday, bro. Yeah, still hovering around 60,000. Oh shit! Sorry. I forgot that the fucking arrow's on there. It's when I'm changing. I need to move that to something else. Is the wave sapping? It's when I change my trading view chart. I now use arrows up and down.
Gold might want to push.
Just sarcastic card. That's why I probably liked it, to be honest. Look at this gold. GJ probably making a 30-minute reflip. Hourly also reflip. Yeah. A lot of chaotic volume this morning. Yeah, same as kind of yesterday, right? Right, I need to shit out a fucking 2.5 foot subway because I had that yesterday. Be 1 second. 2.5 foot long. I'm such a fat cunt. In one sitting. Lord have mercy. Yeah, how long left for this closure? Yeah, I got 9 minutes, okay. Wait for this goldie to close above, and then we should be good, boy. 2 minutes.
Max, the target it's 57.
Oh, he's in the bathroom.
All right. Just take a shit.
Mm-hmm.
Gold send Max to the toilet.
Hey, Tom, are you in cells?
No.
4, geez. Were you 4 for 4?
Wow, Goldie's still not going. This is putting me off the fucking trade. Just sitting on the throne.
Rohit was trying to ask you something.
Oh, was he?
He was.
Oh. King Abe just finished his stream, man. He pissed. Oh my god. Bless him.
Hey, Max,
Hello.
tell me, you think gold like 57 target?
As target? Well, if it could break this fucking level, which I don't think it can, yeah, sure. 1757 would be fine. I think that'd be a good target. Yeah, to the left here. 1757 and then 1759 after.
Okay.
But it's depending on if it can close above this fucking range, which it seems to be struggling. For me, if I start to see any sort of, level that is hesitant to break, I'm fucking leaving this, man.
You think like for safe profile, like put my stop loss like 52 because I am super profile right now.
Wait, what was your entry?
42.
42. Fuck me.
Oh, from yesterday.
Okay. Yeah. I'd put your stop loss like 1752. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If it breaks that low, yeah, it's gonna probably come down pretty hard, eh? That's what I'm
Okay.
Oh, you got it nice.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah, you got it nice. 1742, nice. You look here with the trades. My God. Nice work.
Just waiting, man. Gold just kick my ass sometime.
Gold kick your ass sometimes. Yeah, gold kicked my ass yesterday. My fucking God. Volume is huge.
Small sell gold right now, so I hope it nets.
Still rejecting them highs, eh? GJ's looking good, eh? It's a bit of a W formation. Hourly timer is pushing 4 hours breaking. Sorry, hourly's breaking previous high. Interesting. There's a little 50-minute fake out there. Gold go down. Next 30-minute candle will go straight down. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's I think people and I think this is what's happened with a lot of streamers this morning. If there's not a real direction in terms of higher time frames, then being aggressive in the markets can be a pain in the ass. Also, Brian, do you see what the fuck Iron Man was saying yesterday, saying that you're a scalper, you shouldn't look at the higher time frames? Is that guy like fucking on like is that guy on like autism tablets, or like is that guy really fucking stupid? What the fuck? What the fuck? Why are you looking at the higher time frames if you're scalping? Are you fucking retarded? Oh, sorry, Iron Man. I'm sorry I have to just look at the 1 hour time frame, and if it closes with a fucking long wick, I have to take your shitty trade and get 50 pips in profit with a 300 pip stop. Oh, God. Just someone IQ. If you just, yeah, meth. He's fucking. Oh, God. He fucking commented on the post. Why are you even looking at the higher time frames if you're scalping? I don't know, maybe so I can get direction, you fucking idiot. He doesn't show his terminal. Okay, Iron Man, I'll run up a £100 account like yours with a fucking 0.01 lot like yours just to make you shut the fuck up.
Is the 30 going to close above?
Oh. Raffle donkey. Gold will do a fake out. Yeah, I'm getting a bit cautious of that. See how this closes. I just hate it when it makes it so hard to get in, and sometimes it just doesn't work at all. So look at the 4 hour though. Also a daily res, right? Fucking annoying. It's a hard one, isn't it?
It's a strong close.
Yeah, it's a strong close. How big are the stops? 15 pips. Retesting of the level it's just broken out of here, 1754.92. Fuck it. Stop loss is gonna be 1753.4. Ah, fucking cunt. Come back down, you prick. Yeah, this is looking good. I'm just gonna have to take it. How big are the stops on the actual previous level? We got in here. It's actually still not bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this trade over here. 1755.5. I really wanted that retest, but obviously I was writing the signal at the time. Let's see if we can get the retest. I'm gonna wait for the next candle. Let's look at the 3 minutes. So my only issue for it, right, and looking like it's gonna go without me, but the daily res is right there. I'm happy leaving that up. For me personally, I was writing the signal to get into there. Stop loss there. Retest of the level it's just broken out of to give you a nice stop, but I kind of missed it. Oh well. Fucking hell, it's so hard with signals. Like the amount of signals I had on there. Gold sells, gold buys. Glad I didn't actually post that because I actually had to sell on there. Looking like gold is going to continue up now. Good stuff. GJ, where did the 30-minute close? Yeah, it closed above actually. Look at the 15. Oh, the 15-minute retest would be nice. Stop loss below. Holy shit, 30 pips. Yeah, I'm leaving this gold. I can't be asked to take it near this. Look at that rejection. Oh, if you guys took that trade there, 100% fucking break even that shit. Let's take a look here. Break even? No way. If you got the break of the high, that's mad. How much did you get up? Only 9 pips. Yeah, but in terms of the higher time frames, which I'm on for some reason says that I can't look at, the daily resistance is right there, so you got to go break even at that level. Another break even. Yeah, that's gold. I generally would leave gold now for buys. I'd wait for the sells. I'd wait for the sells. What the fuck, gold? Genuinely, I even think, and this is why I was kind of like, you know what? If I don't get the entry that I want, which is the retest, I kind of don't really want to take the trade. Because of the way it's been moving. Normally, when the price moves in a weird way in terms of like coming back to entries, rejecting these highs all the time, it's just giving you a warning, right? It's giving you a warning, and for me, that should be a warning to just leave the chart. Take a look here as well. Let's tap this 30-minute res right now, which is also the 4-hour resistances here. So yeah, it looks clean because of these massive candles here, but realistically, the actual zone on the higher time frames isn't that nice. So I'm happy leaving that. I was counting on good volume to break the resistance, but it couldn't. I don't think this is going to continue. The 1 minute is like shit. I know it's not your trading style, but if you put a sell, stop loss 1757, yeah, it's fine. There's not really much confidence from it though. There's no OB even, like, you know, even though, yeah, it is good resistance. That's great. But I'd rather wait for some maybe bearish candles to form first to take this out. To be honest, and then it'll be an easy trade. It'll be a bloody easy trade. So clean to go up. Look at his 50-minute and gold GJ celery play is happening right now. Not celery play, sorry, the celery retest. Interesting. Do you think that gold does more fake out in London than NY? No. I wouldn't say it was one than the other, I don't think. I really like this retest on GJ. It's also the 5-minute retest. The only issue is your stops are fucking massive. Because the 30's closed above, right? 24 minutes left. A lot of time in the candle left. Only issue is the hourly, obviously. Hourly resistance. So, yeah, it's just quite a hard morning, to be honest. It's quite a hard morning in terms of finding trades. But that's when you've just got to sit and just fuck around with your mates. That's why having a good group is good, man. You just mess around. Oh, shit. It's the England game today. What time is that at? World Cup. World Cup. I watched Portugal last night. Portugal looked pretty good, eh? 7 o'clock again. England versus Wales.
What's the prediction, Maxi?
Well, I hope we bloody win, but it depends how we play it. Gareth Southgate might want another fucking draw again.
Yeah, he probably does.
Yeah, God, when you could just
We'll
win a
send them out
game.
to not let a goal in.
I know.
Just don't let a goal in. That'll be the strategy.
Useful right into the OB. Let's take a look and see if there's an OB on Euro, USD.
Price action is shit this morning, huh?
Yeah, it's just no direction. It's just fucking around. Which is when you can get slaughtered. But this is when, you know, the big boys, you know, this is when Raja goes, right, shut down. I'll see you tomorrow. And he'll just sack off the whole day.
Yeah.
Okay, so USD JPY and OB. What time frame? 15? Oh, sorry, 5. There's a little one there, but it's coming down further. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Where's an OB? I don't know where it is. Send me a chart. Oh, here. Sorry. Yeah, I can see it now. Down here. The only issue you have, and what I've been realizing recently with OBs, are that the overall trend is bearish, right? So if we want to continue bearish structure, if this was the high, okay, this is the next low. This is the next lower high. This should break to make the next lower low, right? So I think in terms of OBs, and I think what I've been looking at Damien's is OBs you want is when it's in a, you know, it's in trend, but the OB you're wanting is when the price comes back up, and let's just say there's an OB there, and then you take this trade and you're getting the high or the next lower high. Instead of taking, when price comes down here, you take this thinking, oh, it's a great OB, and it just fucking clots through it because it's, you know, it's bearish trend. What you'd really want is if price came down here, made maybe a bullish candle, then broke, then when it came back to retest, then you could take the OB there to then continue back down. Same thing as yesterday, right? If we go through this is actually what I've been looking at. I was doing it last night. If you look here on gold, we actually saw an OB. So why did this OB work? Let's take a look, right? So let's just go here. Obviously, it's a learning progress, and we're all just learning about it. But let me just write this one on. So this one is also an OB here. There, candle before the push, breaker structure, great stuff, right? Let's write this here, order block. Now, if you look on the higher time frames, okay, we've got it here pretty easily. get actually higher time frames. So yeah, I think it's actually quite harder to see in this one. Let's just see. But the overall trend, if you take a look here, is still bullish, right? So buy makes the high, comes down, makes the low, comes up, makes the high. So what you're wanting here is if price comes up, makes the low, price comes up, makes another high. This next candle here, to continue bullish structure, should never break this low, but you know, your order blocks there, great to continue back bullish, and that's what it did. It went up 50 pips. So obviously then it came back to the high, rejected, and continued back down. So it kind of, I like it how it's like when it's with the trend and it's just coming back to make the lower low, or the higher low, sorry.
Yeah, continuing the trend.
Continuing the trend, yeah. Yes, sir. Just Goldie continuing now? Oh, it's still fucking slow, man. The 5 minutes of shite. There's GJ. I've really wanted that retest, but it wasn't too far. Obviously, still this 1 hour res, but looking like it's probably gonna break it now. Oh, is this? Larry just woke up and saw closure above on gold, took buys at the bottom, wick of the 50-minute counter, secured full at 10 pips, 1%. I love this. Very nice. Very good. So where was a nice entry? Yeah, you would have just got break-evens, man. Unless you held on the whole thing. Now you might be okay. Kind of pissed off that I didn't get that retrace. Did that retrace come and get mitigated again? No. No, it didn't. So that was okay. Yeah, exactly. You know, it breaks the lows and then just trends in that direction. 100%.
Hey Max, my account grow the time that I start trading with you guys, with the group, you know, totally like 28%, guys.
Nice. It's a nice little percentage gain, eh?
Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah, you guys change a lot. Everything that I see in the market.
You did well too, my man. You've done great zones, man. You're doing very good with your zones. Good work, good work. Looking like GJ's going to break this Asian. Highs. Yeah. Max in gold now. We close above 1755. And we're all above all the time frame. Buying gold is more good. I'm leaving it alone. I don't like the way it's pushed. It should have already ran up 30 pips now. TP1 hit. It's fucking around. If you got on that closure, you've just scraped 10 pips. Like that's when you know, gee, you know, I'm not missing much, right? I'm not missing much.
I have the feeling that he go back like 62 again.
Yeah, maybe 62. It depends how it breaks this level. 1756. It's just very slow at the time. I'm looking for buys on EU. Ooh. I'm looking for buys in GJ really, because this is a W formation as well. Obviously, it's a higher time frame one, but if we get a closure above here.
I'm lucky. I have the balls to take this trade last night.
I know, that was a big trade, eh?
Yeah, I put you like a short stop loss.
Tight one.
Because he stay like a 3 hours, just move slow. Things gonna jump.
166,600.
You see the game last night?
Yeah, Portugal.
Yeah, but look.
What?
See my t-shirt?
Let's take a look. Oh, you got Uruguay. That's why you live in Portugal.
Yeah, I live in Portugal. My mom, my dad is Uruguay.
Ah, very nice. Oh, you got a traitor.
Yeah, but strong game. Strong game.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good
Played well,
game.
eh?
I see the Brazilian one, but I really don't like it.
Mm.
Brazil have
yeah.
already too many cops, man. Too many stars in the t-shirt.
Too many stars on the t-shirt.
Yeah, just give the opportunity to the other ones.
Yeah. Spread the love.
We got a little ways to go, but is anyone looking at the gold OB at 1761?
17.
On the 5?
Yeah, that's nice, eh? That'd be good.
Mm.
Would it be with the
Got
trend?
Tom's confluence.
Yeah. Come back to that daily resistance again. Mad. Yeah, I'll mark that one on for later on, eh?
I think this is my big trade of the month. 150.
Nice. 150 pips. Man, gold is printing them no wick candles on the 5 today. Yeah. Marco, great thing you just said. Yes, right? Looking at Raj's trades recently, I realized how much volume has an impact on trading in certain times gives you huge advantage. 100%. If you look at Raj's trades, actually a lot of the trades, especially recently, have no bottom wicks. They just got so much volume, they just push. So in high volume times, when there's a big pushes and as long as the zones are like not too bad, that's where he takes his trades. So you gotta find him out. That's why today I'm like, would Raja get into this? You know, would the person I learned get into this trade? He may have got the 30-minute closure he held, but stop losses are quite big and the volume is rather shite. He may have held on, but it's a very low probability one. You gotta have big ass volume. Also, you need to have big balls. Yeah, big balls as well. So looking like Goldie's continuing, but as I said, it's just not the way I wanted it to push. It's fucked around. Look at them 3-minute candles. My God. GJ's still respecting this level. My days. How long do you want to stay in there for? FXX, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Yesterday, you take GJ?
Took gold yesterday. No GJ.
Oh, man. Well, go kick your balls was yesterday?
Yeah, the same trade that Don took. Yeah, 30-minute closure below. Top wick, we just got fucking clotted. A lot of volume. It actually did work out later on. But there's loads of volume at the time. So, yeah. You couldn't even manage risk, really.
When you take like a 2-3 loss in the row, you feeling like a sucker, all right?
No.
Or no more.
No, because
Okay.
it's because of this, right? If I look here, because we did, I think we took maybe the start of this month. Let's take a look here. Look,
because
right?
I have this problem, and sometimes I need to leave the market for 2-3 days when
Yeah, that's good though. That's fine. If you
like
look here, I mean,
lose my profit.
these L's are 4 L's, but actually they're quite small. It's actually only like maybe 2 L's there. But if you take a look though, if that affected me, there's 4 L's in a row, then at the end I wouldn't be making 8-9%.
Okay, but you close this manual, no? Because it's a short pips.
Well, yeah. Manage risk, yeah, but that's what you're gonna have to do. If you don't manage risk and you take 4 full L's, then yeah, you've got to be able to look at maybe why. What you do? Like you walking around and I don't know, just what do you do to feel better, man? Well, I don't just walk around. I'll just look at the chart. I just look at the trades I took and look at maybe what I did wrong. That's all I look at. I don't need to look at that kind of stuff. It's just I need to look at what went wrong in the trades. Just go through them all, right? Don't just go off the charts and just forget about it, because if you forget about it, you're not gonna learn from your mistakes. You're just gonna do it all over again at one point. You gotta go and have a look and see what you did wrong. All you gotta do.
I think because I know my mistake. My mistake is overtrade.
Exactly. Well, then just stop over trading. Take your 2 trades for the day or 3 trades, and then just leave it. Leave it alone. Let's take a look here. Tuning in late backs. Why didn't you take the 30-minute gold buy retest? I wanted the retest. It gave me about a millisecond to get it on this low, but actually looking at it now, the retest. Oh yeah, the 5 is okay actually. Yeah, this candle came down. I wanted to take it, but unfortunately I was writing the signal at the time. Yes, the signals this morning's been fucking pain in the ass. I'm not gonna lie. I think I've written about 4 signals in total, and only executed one. Yeah, signals are kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. They're kind of pissing me off. I have to fucking write them, and sometimes I miss the trade myself. It's kind of annoying.
Yeah, my trade is closed. Take
Nice. 1760.
Put a script on your MetaTrader. So when you place your pending order, it'll just send the signal.
That's true. But what if it's not a pending order? What if it's just a sell out or a buy out?
But you can still do that.
I suppose that's true, yeah.
And then just turn it off when you don't want the signal sent.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, that's true. Finally got some rockets over here, but my fucking god, those candles, look at them candles. Other 3 minutes. Didn't break loads of previous though, so it was good structure, but it's a weird way of working. Let's take a look at GG again. GG rejecting the resistance again. Nice. I don't think market gives you more than 1 or 2 trades per session. Nah, it does. If you're on the ball. It does if you. It depends how you trade. Depends on what time frame as well. You can get loads of lower time frame trades. I'm looking at this M formation on GJ. Never fucking retest. Yeah, to go back up to 500 here. Looking like GA rejection. Yeah, again. Like my fucking god. How many times this came up? Once, twice. Now breaking it up. Take a look at the daily time frame now. So breaking kind of the daily levels. The weekly time frame starting to reflip. So that's okay. Possible 1 hour gold buys. I'm staying away out of gold now. I'm leaving it. Gonna wait until NY.
I think I finished my week.
Now you can relax the rest of your week, eh?
Yeah. I'm traveling the end of the week.
You traveling?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Go to Brazil for a couple of weeks.
Go to Brazil?
Yeah.
How long does it take you to get there?
Where the ticket?
Yeah, did you take you just getting a plane there?
Yeah, but
How long's the plane?
My wife is a flight tender.
Ah, yes, remember you telling me.
Yeah, it's cheap flights. Cheap flight.
Very nice. Okay, Jayan, yeah, so this OB here, obviously it's the candle before the push. Okay, this candle here was the candle before the push, broke all the structure here, which is great. So then therefore it is OB. If you look on the 30-minute as well, you can see it a little bit easier. You can actually have a bigger one here. But yeah, you can obviously reduce it on the lower time frames.
It's very possible so he go down, no?
If it gets to 1761, yeah. I can't believe that GJ can't pick in this direction. Look at the 4 hours though. So if you ever want to know what's going on with the higher time frames, or like with price, sorry, just look at the higher time frames. 4 hour here. Yeah, big, bullish candle, doji, pretty much doji at the moment, showing indecision, doesn't really know where it wants to go. You need to also remember there's GJ news in half an hour or so be careful for that. And yeah, Goldie was okay, but it's the way it pushed. I'd rather just leave it. Don't really care too much about it. How far did it actually push? Yeah, so 34 pips, nice push after, but the way it got there is it wasn't too good, eh?
Yeah, closed my flipping trade on Goldie, man.
What did you get in?
I got in. I got in a tiny bit late. 54.90.
54.90. Not bad. No, that was nice. 54.90 was the retest. That's what I wanted.
Yeah,
That's
it
good.
was like because it was dicking around. I didn't have the balls to hold it, I suppose. But I saw dollar dropping. Dollar was like, you know, so that was a good sign. But
yeah,
never mind.
I think yeah, because basically what I had my signal 1755, and I was like, oh fuck, I want to change it to this retest, but obviously that time it makes this little wick is so fucking small.
Yeah.
That then I miss it, and then everyone else misses it as well. So yeah, I might have to just fucking put it on then. It's just so annoying, man. It's a pain in the ass. To get into the trade myself as well.
Gold rejected exactly at the hourly OB.
Yeah. The hourly? Where at?
Well, actually, it's not really an OB, but the last green candle on the hourly.
Oh, like this one. Oh, wait, this one here? Yeah.
Yeah,
nice.
on mine, it tapped it exactly.
GJ onion shorts. I'm not touching GJ in this area. I think it's going to break up one way or the other, but I have no idea, and I don't think the charts know either. Remember, I always say this again and again and again. If the higher time frames have no idea where price is going, how are you going to know where it's going? You don't, so just leave it. The 4 hours, look, 4, 8, 12 hours of fucking around in this area. It has no idea where it wants to go. But once you get the direction, then trades will be easier, right? Where did you went for the black? I went for the black one. I had to go for the red one, mate. Let's go red one, boy. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. I'm going to leave it off over here later on. I kind of want to wait a little bit later on. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on. We're doing a simulation session later on after NY session. So we'll see you guys there. In terms of news later on as well, yeah, we got going to Bailey at 3 o'clock. So hopefully we can get some trades before then. But yeah, cheers, guys. Sorry for this morning. Yeah, a bit unfortunate with my entry there. I wanted to get 0.8, but all good. Thank you very much for coming on, guys. Peace out. See you later, alligator.
Bye.
See you later, guys. Peace out. Adios.
Adios.
Adios, amigos. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. And peace out.